Tired of DocuSign and ready to permanently close your account? This video will guide you through the simple steps to delete your DocuSign account for good. First, log into your DocuSign account. Make sure you're logging into the account you want to delete. Use your email and password as usual. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile or My Profile. This will take you to your account settings. Now, navigate to the Plans and Billing or Billing section. The exact wording may vary depending on your account type. Click on this to manage your subscription. If you have an active subscription, you'll need to cancel it before deleting your account. Look for a Cancel Plan or a similarly worded button or Close Account button. If you can't find it immediately, there might be an option to change plan first, which then leads to the cancellation option. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. DocuSign will likely ask you to confirm your cancellation. Carefully read the prompts and confirm that you want to proceed. Be aware of any potential cancellation fees after your subscription is canceled, or if you have a free account, look for the Close Account option. This might be located in the account or privacy settings. Be absolutely sure you want to proceed. Closing your account permanently deletes your data. DocuSign will present a final confirmation screen with a stark warning about the deletion of your data. If you are certain, click the Confirm Account Closure button to permanently delete your DocuSign account. That's it. You've successfully deleted your DocuSign account.